Hello guys, this is Auto Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from Digistore24. Now this is really simple, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So the first step, once you're on Digistore24 and logged into your account, is heading over to the account button and clicking on it. Now the third to last option should be payout account. Now we're going to head over to this one and just fill out the information that we want. So basically our password, current password, payouts per month. Now we can 7 of the month, 7 and 21st, 7, 14th, 21st and 28th of the month, and there are some conditions that you can read right here. On the 7th of the month, a payout of 50 in your currency is possible, and on the others is 200. Now you can set it as active or not. Select your currency, notify by email, and the payment method, which is PayPal, SEPA bank transfer, international bank transfer, or that's all there is to it. And the payout is made without currency conversion, and or you can just select a certain currency. So I'm going to just enter my information randomly so I can show you the next step. Now after I've done this, I'm going to hit save. New payout account. Yes. I'm sorry, I entered the wrong password. And here it will take me to entering basically my PayPal details in order to send me the money. A PayPal verification will cost €1 in my case, for example. And after you have entered all your details, you should be able to receive payments from Digistore24 on whatever method that you chose, either by bank transfer or PayPal or whatever. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.